Hey everyone, this is Marina from Vibrance Communication and Consulting Innovations. If you are a person who struggles with the TH sound, then this is a video for you. Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the TH sound, particularly the voiceless TH consonant. In a previous video that we did, we talked about the voiced TH. Again, there are two types, voiced and voiceless. I will post the link below into the description about the voiced TH, but today we're going to talk about voiceless. So why does it sound hard? Well, many languages around the world don't have this consonant. So therefore, when you do go to say this sound, it's going to feel a little bit awkward. So basically, it's not that hard. All you have to do is position your tongue in between your teeth and gently blow the air. Make sure your voice is off. So it's going to be hard to hear over the video, but it's going to sound kind of like this. I'm not sure if you could hear the sound, but I'm going to give you three words. So the first word with the voiceless TH would be think. Again, put your tongue between your teeth, blow the air, think. Make sure that you don't clamp down on your tongue. Our second word is going to be toothpick. Again, notice my tongue pop out. Toothpick. I'm going to say it one more time. Toothpick. And our last word that we're going to say is both, where the TH is at the end. Both. And that's pretty much how you do the voiceless TH. All right, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us at info@vibrance.com. I'll link that information in the description. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and let us know how else we can help you. All right, take care. Bye.